Welcome back to the Bird Chef. Today we're going to be showing you how to make pigs in a blanket. Let's get started. Alright, first up we're going to take our little mini dogs. We're going to cut them in half. Then we're going to take our skewer. We're going to put one half on. We're going to take half the block of cheese, stick that on there. And then the other half of the dog, stick it on there. Now we're ready for the croissant. Alright, now we're going to take one of our croissant wraps, lay it on the cutting board. We're going to take our dog, put it center, and wrap it up. Make sure we got that pinched in there nice. Put it on our tray. Now we're going to do the rest. Alright, now we got those all wrapped up. Skewers have been removed. We're going to go bake those at 375 for 12 minutes. Alright, now we got those fresh out of the oven. Let's take a look at that cheesy goodness. Doesn't that look delicious? And there you have our pigs in a blanket. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.